Hello, this is Dr. Nuke, and now I'd like to talk to you about exotic chemistry, exotic molecules. Recently, chemists have developed new techniques for assembling molecules atom by atom. I think they call it click chemistry. Ultimately, would it be possible to arbitrarily assemble things atom by atom on a large scale? Of course, that's the holy grail of nanotechnology, assemblers capable of building up things atom by atom. But short of that, what about just making very, very, very complicated and intricate molecules? Like, for example, something that has 11 carbon rings with a couple of nitrogen substitutions in the rings, and an organometallic complex on one end and another different organometallic complex on the other end, and multiple halogenations and OH groups, thiol groups, and have a tellurium atom here and a selenium atom there, and so on and on and on. You know, anything goes with this chemistry. I mean, there are rules. I mean, there's certain things that won't bond to other things. Some things will bond, some things won't, and there's rules as to how many bonds each thing can form with another thing, and it varies for different atoms, different elements. But it's just interesting to speculate about exotic chemistry. I mean, what about, for example, a 9-carbon chain, an alkane chain with a bismuth at one end and a tellurium on the second carbon, and a chlorine and a bromine on the third carbon, and a thiol group on the 5th carbon, and an iodine atom at the end of the last carbon atom, just for example. I mean, that would be a very exotic molecule, and I guess it theoretically could be synthesized. I don't know what. I just came up with that arbitrarily, off the cuff, that particular molecule. What would its properties be, I wonder, if it were synthesized? Would it be a liquid at room temperature? Would it be a solid? Would it be toxic? Who knows? I would say that one should assume that it is very toxic, unless you know for sure otherwise. Well, anyway, that's all I have to say for now. This is Dr. Nuke signing out.
Also, one other thing I should mention is I need to get eyeglasses as well, because I think I may have eye problems that are very severe. So I have problems filming correctly on which and where his head is properly. So I'm also letting you guys know that as well. So yeah, depending on how bright the phone is and things. So just to let you guys know that as well. Isn't my handwriting bad, Harold? To the point where it's unreadable.
Yes.
So, just to let you guys know that, I do apologize in general for that, and, I do have an appointment to get eyeglasses pretty soon. Also, my hands are kind of unsteady and shaky because I think I have nerve issues as well, so I am looking into getting that checked too, to find out if something's wrong. So, they'll let you know. Have a good day. Bye.